This session is going to be talking about time and how to make the most of it. Good morning, it's Peggy McColl. Welcome back to Morning Manifestation. This session is going to be talking about time and how to make the most of it. You see, you and I have something in common. We may have many things in common, but one of the things that we have in common is that we have the same amount of time. We all have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So how do you really make the most of it? I'm going to give you some quick suggestions here. There also will be a podcast in the Manifestation podcast. It's totally free that you can check out as well. And if you're not a subscriber to the Manifestation podcast, you can go to manifestationpodcast.com, subscribe, and you'll get notified when one of the 2 new podcasts are released every single week. So time and how to make the most of it. Realize that you have the same amount of time that everyone else does. Relax in the knowing that everything that you desire to get done will be done. That's a mental state. The other thing that you should do is every week at the beginning of the week on a Sunday, make a list of your accomplishments for the week. Get yourself an accountability partner, someone that you're going to email your list of accomplishments with and share it with them. Then every day, make a list of the things that you will accomplish that day. In the beginning, that might seem a little awkward. You may overpromise and underdeliver. You may set some objectives that there's no way in the world you're ever going to accomplish, but you'll get really good at it by doing it, by implementing it. Now, I have accomplishment partners, accountability partners, and I do these things every day. I send my list, or every week I send my list along with an update from the previous week and what I actually did or did not accomplish. And then every day I get on a call with my accountability partners and we talk about what are we doing today that's taking us in the direction of our goals. When you know that you're going to do that and you are accountable, you're going to find that your productivity is going to go way up. Another suggestion that I have is take a sheet of paper and write down the time you get out of bed, and then in 15-minute increments. So if you get up at 6 a.m., you'd write down 6 o'clock, 6:15, 6:30, 6:45, 7 a.m., 7:15, etc. all on a sheet of paper, all until the time they go to bed. And then write in a few words on what are you doing every 15 minutes. This is going to cause you to notice where you're utilizing your time effectively. So those are my short tips for the manifestation or the morning manifestation video. Have fun with it. I'll see you in the next video. Also, be sure to subscribe to the Manifestation podcast. You'll get more juicy tips on how to accomplish your every desire.